Hi everyone, this is DIY Hagrick and I'm about to show you guys how to make your ultimate egg emulsion, which is for your broiler growth and your hen production. So my name is Opoyemi Afeluyi. Once again, welcome to DIY Hagrick. If you're just joining us for the first time, I would like you to subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification button to continue to get videos like this. So right away we are going to start. I'll show you how to make your egg emulsion. Okay, so we are about to make our egg emulsion, which is supposed to boost the growth of our broilers and then boost egg production in layers. So we need lime. We need about 1 liter of lime. We need black strap molasses, as you can see, and you need a container that is big enough to take the liquid you want to pour inside it, and then the 10 eggs. We have tested for the freshness of these eggs in a previous video, so we need 10 eggs. But the lime that we have here is short of 1 liter. I think I poured the extra here, but even with this it's not up to a liter. This is pure lime. As you can see, the ball here, I have just 4 balls left, but I can't get up to 1 liter and I don't want to dilute it. I don't want to add water, so I'm just going to go ahead with that. So roughly we have over, this alone is 75 cl. So with this we have close to 1 liter, but it's not up to 1 liter. So we're just going to ride with that. But if you can get up to 1 liter, use 1 liter for your own. Okay, we're pouring the lime now. This container here is 2 liters, and the liquid we want to add is supposed to be about 1.5 liter. Okay, actually you should have I should have placed these eggs inside, but it's still the same. I'm going to place the eggs, the 10 eggs. The eggs are lying on their side, which shows that they are fresh. Okay, then we still have more space. You want to be careful. Okay, that's good. So you want to add the molasses now. Black strap molasses, half liter of it. This is 50 cl, half liter. You may want to ask, why am I using a transparent container? Well, there's no need to, it's not compulsory for you to use a transparent material, but you know, in all these things you want to be curious, you want to know what is going on in the container. So in order not to be opening it every now and then, I think it's good if you can get a transparent container so you can know what's happening even from outside. So that's black strap molasses added. Okay, so the purpose of the lime is to dissolve the eggshell. The lime is acidic and it's capable of dissolving the eggshell. So I'm about to mix everything together thoroughly. So I can already see some reaction in the liquid. The lime is trying to dissolve the eggshell. So what you do now is to mix it thoroughly. So you have to improvise and use this nylon. If you have a hand glove, the medical grade, you can use it. You be careful as you mix thoroughly, but carefully as well. I can hear the cork outside. waiting for the powerful egg emulsion. And lest I forget, this is one of the greatest organic supplements you can have for your chickens. The egg emulsion does well at boosting their growth and also supplies enough calcium and other nutrients to the laying hens. I'm still going to show you guys how to make iron supplements for your layer chickens. Iron supplements for them, because in the process of laying the eggs every day, they get to lose lots of calcium and iron, lots of nutrients. So you want to supplement what they have in their feed with iron supplements and even this egg emulsion. So I think I've done a good work mixing the lime juice and the black strap molasses together in this container, leaving the 10 eggs immersed. You get a good result when you are able to make all the eggs fully immersed in the mixture, in the solution. So you try to achieve that on your hand. I think that's not a problem here. We already got that because we are using fresh eggs. Okay, so we are starting this would I call it an experiment now? Okay, for you guys it's an experiment, but this is not new to me. So we are starting these experiments on the 7th of October 2020, and we are going to leave the eggs immersed in this solution for 10 days. So we are coming back on the 17th of October to get a powerful egg emulsion. This is a growth booster or promoter for your broiler chickens, and don't forget it will also supplement the calcium that is being wasted or expended by your layer hens as they lay eggs daily. Okay, so let me give you guys a good view before I leave this. You can see the eggs in the mixture. Okay, so we're going to leave it covered. You're going to leave it covered. Occasionally you can just come to do a little turning so that the part of the egg that is like looking at you will turn to the other side and can get a good action of the lime on the shell. So let's just wait and leave this for 10 days and see what we get.